Okay, once again, minus 5x minus 5x, because I'm trying to get y by itself. Negative 4y is greater than negative 5x minus 20. So that's negative 4 times y. I divide both sides by negative 4. So I get y. I flip the sign. Negative 5 divided by negative 4 is 5 over 4. X, negative 20 divided by negative 4 is positive 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the intercept. That means I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and don't have enough space. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it is a less than sign, it's a dotted line. So there's a dotted line. Okay, I pick a point not on that line, like 0, 0, and I plug it in. So 0 cancels that out. 0 cancels that out. Is 0 greater than negative 20? You betcha. And since it's true, you shade towards that point, which means I shade everything on this side, right there. So all that stuff on this side gets shaded in. Okay, I need to get x by itself, so whenever you have a fraction, that's like saying you can multiply by the reciprocal, so I'll multiply by 3 over 7. So this cancels out, meaning I just have an x. It's greater than. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Well, whenever you have x equals a number, that means you have a vertical line. Vertical, for those of you who don't remember, straight up and down. So I go to 3, which is right here, and draw a vertical line. However, because it is a greater than sign, I need to draw a dotted line. So there's my dotted line. Okay. Now I need to pick a point not on that line, so I'm going to pick 0, 0. So I plug in 0. Is 0 greater than 3? No, that's false. That means I need to shade away from it, which away is everything on this side over here. So all of that gets shaded in over here. With y equals, once again, I need to get y by itself. So whenever you have a fraction, it's like multiplying by the reciprocal on both sides. So what happens here is that's gone. So I said, well, y is greater than. The 3's cancel out. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and I have a negative there, so it's a negative 2. Well, whenever you have y equals something, that's like saying you have a horizontal line, or a line that goes straight across. That means I go down to negative 2, put a point right there, I'm going to draw a line straight across. However, because it's greater than, I need to draw a dotted line. So there it is. Okay, so I need to pick a point not on that line. I'm going to pick 0, 0. So I plug it in. Is 0 greater than negative 2? Well, that is a true statement. Since it's true, I shade towards the point. So that means I shade everything towards the point, or everything up here. And there you go. This one's basically already done for me. That means I go down 2, and then my slope is 2/3, so I go up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3. I can go down 2 and left 3, down 2 and left 3. But anyway, it's a solid line because it is less than or equal to, so there's a solid line. I pick a point not on that line, like 0, 0. So when I plug it in, that gives me 0. And all I have left on that side is negative 2. Is 0 less than negative 2? That is false, which means I shade away. So I shade everything on this side of the line. Down here. In this ordered pair, is it a solution of the inequality? What that means is this is x, so plug that in for x. This is y, so plug that in for y. So we get negative 21 and negative 63, which when we put that together gives us a negative 84. So is negative 84 less than negative 10? That is true. Plug that in here. This is x and that is y. So it's 5 and put a 2 in there. 3 and put a negative 1 in there. So that's a 10 and that's a 3. So I get 10 plus 3, which is 13. Is 13 less than or equal to 10? Nope, that is false. So if you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know.